Nitto Kohki's pumps are used in medical, chemical, and industrial field where both vacuum pumps and air compressors are required. The outstanding features of our pumps were born from over 40 years of experience. Nitto Kohki designs and offers oil-less pumps. The merits of this feature are demonstrated in fields such as medical and food service, where clean operations are a necessity. Our unique design's passion to detail and never-ending commitment to quality ensure highly reliable, long-lasting pumps. The simple, yet precise designs allow for compact, lightweight pumps. The low noise and vibration designs make the pumps suitable for use in a wide variety of devices. We have developed a variety of pump types for air, liquids, different drive methods, pressures, flow rates, and more. And the pumps comply with the laws and regulations of major countries as well. Nitto Kohki contributes to society through our pumps in medical, environmental, and other fields.